Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to bulk add members to Trello cards, your complete guide for 2025. First up, you'll need to open your Trello board and select the card where you want to add members. The reason we do this is to specify the exact card where we want to bulk add the members. Once you've selected the card, look for the Members button on the right side of your screen. Click it. This helps us because it opens up the interface where we can add members to the card. Here's where things get a bit more interesting. To bulk add members, you'll need to input all the usernames or emails of the members you want to add, separated by commas. Now let me explain why this matters. By separating each member with a comma, you're telling Trello that these are individual members, enabling the system to add them all at once. After you've input all the members, hit the Add button. This will add all the members to the card simultaneously, saving you the time and effort of adding each member individually. Now that we've done that, you'll see all the added members' avatars displayed on the card. If you followed these steps correctly, you should have successfully bulk added members to your Trello card. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can efficiently manage your team's workload by bulk adding members to Trello cards. Remember, the key is to keep your member list ready and separated by commas. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.